Don't rush to make that investment, but rather focus on. So I want to share something with you. So this is a quick one. Before you begin any investment, hi guys, welcome back to our channel. These days it's very difficult to make money. Therefore, if you have been able to gather some amount of money, make sure you watch this video before you start any investment that you want to do, because it is going to help you not to lose your money. Before you start any business or investment, the first thing you have to do is to understand the investment. So if you don't understand the investment or the business, do not start. Focus on understanding the investment or the business will give you the fundamentals to be able to succeed in that particular business or investment. Here is why. Assuming that you are seeing your friend who is succeeding in forex trading, and you think forex trading is the best option for you as well, so you go to put your money inside forex trading, you are going to lose, or you will not get your money back. Why am I saying this? People will make it from forex trading, but it doesn't guarantee that because they are making it from forex trading, you are also going to make it from forex trading. I'm not saying forex trading is not profitable. It's a profitable business anyway. But don't rush to put your money in forex trading. Focus on learning the basics in forex trading. If you think it is difficult for you to learn, get a mentor, someone who understands forex trading and making it from forex trading. And make sure you are not sending your money to anyone who is not closer to you. Get someone who is in your environment, someone who understands you. Even if you take a car to meet the person one-on-one, so that the person can teach you to be able to make it as well in that particular business. Make sure you understand the business very well or the investment very well. Understand the in and out. Don't forget that if you understand it very well, you know how to navigate and succeed in that business. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this content, subscribe to our channel, like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos of this nature, and also share so that a lot of people can learn from this. Guys, thanks so much for watching this, and we will see you in our next video.